In this video, we're going to be looking at some division. Now, if you were to go and research division on, for example, Hegarty Maths, which we use, we're going to be looking at short division here. The students often call it bus stop, but we call it short division. So let's get into an example. Let's say we had 56 divided by 4 equals. So we can't see straight away what it is, so we're going to have to do bus stop, short division. So the number that comes first is the number we're dividing by. If you think of this in the context, it's 56 sweets divided across 4 people. So we're going to set it up like this. 56 divided by 4. And the way we look at it is, can that 4 fit into that 5? It can, because 5 is bigger than 4. If you think of our 4 times table, 4, 8, it will only go in once. So 1 4 is 4. To get up to 5, it means I've got 1 left. So that 1 left goes into this next column. Effectively, that 1 left is a 10, and it exchanges for 10 ones. I've now got 4s into 16. Goes 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 times. So 56 divided by 4 equals 14. Again, if you've watched the multiplication video, we can then easily check that by doing 14 multiplied by 4 and proving to ourselves that it equals 56. If we make a slightly longer one now, we could have 288 divided by 6. So again, we'll set this up in the same way. Sorry, I've not lined my equal signs up there. So if we set up 288 divided by 6, 6 won't go into 2. It's too small than 6. So here, I've got nothing in that column, and this 2 is exchanging now from 200s to 2010s. Now I'm doing 6 into 28. If you're not confident with the times table you're working on, quick tip is, when you start, write that times table down the side. Then you only have to think it through once. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. I'll not go crazy, I've got 6 of them there. Let's see if I need any more. So 6 into 28 goes once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. I can't get it in 5 times, so I can only get it in 4. So 6 4s are 24. But I wanted to get up to 28 from 24, which means I've got 4 left over. So there's 4 left over, go there. And then 6 into 48, so I did need to go a bit further. 36, 42, 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 goes into 48 8 times. So if I wanted to check this, 6 multiplied by 48 should get me 288. One thing that students at primary school do is leave remainders, and at secondary school we don't do that. So let's have a look at one of these. What would we do, if, for example, if we had 37 divided by 2? So we'd set it up, 37 divided by 2. 2 is going to 3 once, with 1 left over, 1 remaining. We put it there, we exchange that 1 10 for 10 once. And then 2's into 17. Well, we can do our 2 times table quite easily. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We get it in 8 times. We have 1 left over. Now, like I said, at primary school you write R1 for remainder 1. Here, though, we have to think about, what do we have after this 7? We have a decimal place, and then we have no tenths. So let's put in no tenths there. Now that 1 we've got exchanges for 10 of those. So now, put a decimal place in there, extend this division. We can do 2's into 10, go 5 times, and actually get a decimal answer. So 37 divided by 2 is 18.5. If we then look at a slightly more difficult version of that, let's say we had, for example, 9 divided by 7. So set that up. 9 divided by 7. 7 will go into 9 once. 177. But then to get up to 9, I've got 2 left over. So I'm going to have to put my decimal points in. I've got no tenths there, but I know I've got 2 ones left over, which makes 20 tenths. 7 goes into 20. 7, 14. I can't get to 21, so it goes in twice. But then to get from 14 to 20, I've got 6 left over. So I'm going to have to put no hundredths, and then those 6 left over are going to give them 60 in the hundredths column. 7s into 60. So at this point, you might want to be thinking about writing your 7 times table down. 7 7s are 49, so 8 7s are 56. So it'll go in 8 times. But then I've got 4 left over, so I'm going to exchange those into this column. And you can see how we could carry on. 7s into 40. 5 7s are 35. And I've got 5 left over. 7s into 50. 7 7s are 49. And I've got 1 left over. And when we carry on with this, it might be that we see a pattern. Might be we have a recurring number. It might be after a while we realise we just have gone far enough.